Hi, I'm Tom Pellerow, winner of the BBC Apprentice and inventor of the StylPro makeup brush cleaner and dryer. To avoid the build-up of germs, professionals recommend you regularly clean your brushes. But be honest, when was the last time you cleaned yours? The problem is, traditional cleaning methods are messy, tedious, and can leave brushes wet and unusable for hours. The StylPro cleans and dries brushes in seconds, leaving them dry, and I mean totally dry. Dry enough that you could use them straight away as part of your makeup routine.